Okay, now that the lights are kind of working on this thing, that just won't do. So let me get that out of there, and we'll see what we got. Okay, well, I got that out of there. It's not great, but it's not terrible either. So I got some body hammers and dolly, and we're going to see if we can pound that out of there real quick. Now, no one will ever confuse me with an actual body guy, but that is flat enough to put a decent bezel on. So I'll do that, and I'll be right back with you guys. All right, well, that didn't turn out half bad. So lights are on. These aren't the best quality bezels and lenses a guy could find, but they are functional, and that's really what we're trying to do right now, is just make the car. We're trying to get a little bit of stuff knocked out with the weather that we're given right now. It's still cold. I mean, still a shit ton of snow on the ground. So, but yeah, I'm gonna see about throwing turn signal lights up front, and we'll see how that turns out. Okay, I have parking lights. I do not have turn signals up front. They still work in the back. They don't work up here. So I'll have to do a little research. That might be how they're supposed to be. I know on my 54 Chevy, the parking lights don't work when the headlights are on. And maybe that's why they called them parking lights. If that's the case, I don't know if I like that. I might have to do a little creative wiring and see what I can figure out. But anywho, I think that's where this video is going to end for today. So we got a lot more coming up here very, very soon. I got to finish this wiring harness, get this done. Picked up some headers today, and we'll see if we can get those snaked in there. I'm very hopeful they'll fit, but I have very, very, very little room in there. So we will see on those. Jury's still out. But yeah, then get a bell housing on it, get the flywheel on, get the bell housing on, get a starter onto it, get a distributor stabbed into this thing, get some wires on it, car bolted down, get a temporary fuel system on here, and then hopefully we can at least hear this thing run. And I think that'll give me plenty of motivation to keep going while it's cold out here. I do want to hear it run. So anywho, if you made it this far, thank you for watching. Go ahead and like and subscribe to keep track of this thing. I'm going to kind of post as I go, but it's cold, and you can only do so much out here when it's like this. You know, my garage is not real airtight, and there really isn't a good way to make it that way. So, you know, even this does good for right next to me, but even a big torpedo heater in here doesn't really make that big of a dent. So anywho, I appreciate you guys watching, and we'll see you on the next one.